Hi folks, what's up? Welcome to part 5 of how to make a 3D 2D game in Unity 2017. In this part, we're going to add a background image and fix some bugs and add some power-ups. So let's get started. First of all, let's hit the play button and see the bugs. Okay, if I go and jump on the coin, as you can see, it gets slower a bit, and the reason why is because, let's open our script first. Okay, in this script if there is a collision, and if this collision has occurred with a game object called coin, then destroy this game object, and this takes a lot of time to happen. That's why there is a collision, then the coin gets destroyed. But I want the player goes through the coin, then the coin gets destroyed. So we can see that that kind of bug. So to do that, first let's go to coin and hit the play button, and I'm going to take is trigger and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, the player goes through the object, and that's exactly what I want. So what I want now is when the player enters that coin, I want this script to happen. Okay, so to do that, this function I'm going to use on trigger enter, and it's just like on collision enter, but just replace the collision with trigger, and in the parentheses replace collision with collider, and I'm going to name it other. You can name it wherever you want. So I'm going to cut and paste this code and paste it here. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, okay, the reason why is because I didn't make this cube is trigger. So let's see what happens now. Okay, everything works fine. So I'm going to speed up the video a bit to mark all those cubes as trigger. Okay, finally I'm done. So let's test it. Okay, everything works fine. So now I'm going to add a background image. Go to assets. Okay, I already imported it. Okay, you can put wherever image you want. Okay, so I'm going to create an empty object. I'm going to call it BG image. Okay, I'm going to reset its position. Okay, I'm going to drag the image and put it there. Okay, as you can see in the game, the image is rotating, and the reason why, because our main camera is rotated by 15, and to fix this bug, I should rotate the image to 15. so they face each other. Okay, let's go. As you can see, the image is going through the cube, so to fix that I'm going to make it a bit further. So I'm going to scale it to 2. No, I'm going to scale it 9 by 4. Okay, I'm going to move it to fit all the scene. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit up. Okay, so I'm going to hit the play button. Okay, it looks cool. Okay, now I'm going to add some power-ups. Okay, so go create empty. I'm going to name it power-ups and create 3D object. I'm going to make the power-ups. Okay, what are now? Okay, cubes. I'm going to reset this position. Okay. Go to power-ups, reset its position. Okay, everything's fine now. So I'm going to make it a bit down, reset its position. And okay, where should I put those power-ups? Okay, first of all, go to material, create a new material, a new unique material for the power-ups. I know, let's pick a color. Okay, that's cool. So set the smoothness to 0 and drag and drop. Okay, I'm going to rotate it a bit so it is a bit unique. Okay, 60? No, I'm going to rotate it manually, so like that. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I'm going to scale it to 0.75, 0.75 and 0.75. Okay, so I'm going to set its tag to okay, power up. Go to the cube, tag, power up. Okay, so I'm going to speed up the video again to put the power-ups in our scene. Okay, that's enough. So I'm going to select all those 3 power-ups and make them is trigger. So now I'm going to the player script and I'm going to say if the player collides with a power-up, then do this code. And to do that, I'm going to use the onTriggerEnter function. So let's check the tag, it's like that. No. Okay, so I'm going to say if the player collides with a power-up, I want to set the speed to 7. Okay, speed equals 7, and destroy other dot game object, and set the score. I'm going to add plus 50. Okay, and I'm going to also print this. Okay, so I guess everything's fine. Let's test it. Okay, there is an error. Okay, in line 53. Okay, there is a problem, and the problem is, okay, I didn't close the parentheses. So go to Unity and hit the play button. Hopefully everything will work fine. So I'm going to maximize and play. Okay, the FPS is so low, so I won't maximize it. Okay, as you can see, I'm a bit faster. Faster. Okay, I like this speed. So I'm going to select the player and see the speed, it's 7. So